Well, I hit the jackpot today. Usually Subway gives you 1 or 2 napkins. They gave me a lot of napkins today. I don't get it, but that's awesome. You can always use napkins. So, I'm sitting here in, I don't know what town it is. But this is the best place to get internet. Lowe's Home Improvement. Free internet. That's a FYI to everybody who's traveling or needs internet. Theirs is on 24/7. That's where I usually sit. Try to sit where if I can find one. So, sitting here just before the 81. Gonna get on the 81 and go down to what's that town called? Vestal, New York. So just wanted to show you all those napkins. Woo! Awesome. Thank you, Subway. Eat fresh. Okay. Have a good day. Ciao.